Today is July 26, 2018, and I want to demo here some problems that I'm having with a radius net beacon. This one here on the right works. The one on the left doesn't. I have an app that can actually scan. It's called Beacon Scanner. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the beacon on to the right. So let me just go here real quick. So here you can see it's turned on, and I'm going to use the scanner to scan for it. And we can see that it's found. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to turn the other one on. Actually, maybe I better you'll have to take my word for it, but I'm going to turn on the broken beacon, and immediately the app crashes. So this is something that's interesting. When the good beacon is on, no problem, but as soon as I start scanning with the bad one, everything crashes. So hopefully this helps in some way. Thank you.